Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our Dream View channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Whirlpool 190L Direct Cool Single Door 3-star refrigerator. First I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 190L, reciprocatory compressor, standard type of compressor with easy maintenance, 3-star performance, which means saves energy up to 35%. Direct cool, which is economical, consume less electricity, require manual defrosting. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator, manual and one key. Type single door, refrigerator type, top freezer refrigerator, defrosting type, direct cool, compressor type, reciprocatory compressor, number of doors 1, warranty 1 year on refrigerator and 5 years on compressor, cost price 10,599 rupees only. Friends, to get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our Dream View channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.